Our nervous system is involved in everything our body does, from regulating our breathing to control muscles and sensing heat and cold. With nerve damage, there can be a wide array of symptoms. Which ones you may have depends on the location and type of nerves that are affected. Damage can occur to nerves in your brain and spinal cord. It can also occur in the peripheral nerves, which are located throughout the rest of your body. Treatment for nerve damage depends on the cause. Some common treatments involve physical therapy, surgery, and injections for increased nerve pressure. There are also a number of natural treatments to help reduce symptoms and repair nerve damage. Watch till the end and share with your loved ones. How to repair damaged nerves naturally. Nerve pain treatment. Vitamin B. Some cases of nerve damage are related to vitamin deficiencies. Vitamin B is essential for your nerve health. A deficiency can lead to significant nerve damage. Getting vitamin B only from your meals may not be enough. Taking vitamin B supplements can help. Check the description box below for best vitamin B supplements. The recommended daily amount of vitamin B12 for adults is 2.4 micrograms. Higher doses have been found to be safe. Your body absorbs only as much as it needs, and any excess passes through your urine. Essential oils. Essential oils like chamomile and Roman lavender help to increase circulation in the body. They also have pain-relieving and anti-inflammatory properties that can boost healing. Dilute a few drops of essential oil in 1 ounce of olive oil. Apply these diluted oils to the affected area to reduce the pain. Exercises. Regular exercise can help to combat pain and repair damaged nerve. Being active reduces your blood sugar, which in turn can reduce or slow down nerve damage. Exercise also increases blood flow to your arms and legs and reduces stress. Warm bath. Taking a warm bath can soothe and alleviate pain symptoms from neuropathy. Warm water increases blood circulation throughout the body and decreases pain symptoms from numbness. Dietary changes. Diabetes is one of the common causes of damaged nerves. So, dietary changes to manage your blood sugar levels can help with neuropathy and even prevent it. A diet low in simple carbohydrates and high in fiber can keep blood sugar levels within normal ranges. Avoid sweets, white bread products, and processed snacks. Add foods rich in antioxidants such as walnuts, blueberries, flaxseed oil, and fatty fish in your diet.